it does. I guess I can try to go around. Anyways, this is where I'm trying to go, and and it's raining pretty hard over there, and this is kind of inside. And I saw this path that I thought led to a door, but I found out it just leads to tons of wires and all kinds of stuff that I probably should not be at. Anyways, go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Am I walking through the forest? No, I'm walking through the MGM. And probably shouldn't walk here. Now I see why. It looks like there is a path, and it looks like I might just come to nothing. We will find out in a minute, and it does. I guess I can try to go around. Anyways, this is where I'm trying to go, and it's raining pretty hard over there, and this is kind of inside. And I saw this path that I thought led to a door, but I found out it just leads to tons of wires and all kinds of stuff that I probably should not be at. Anyways, found the exit. Dang, that was crazy. Yeah, what's the point of having those little things that go to all those doors? They don't actually go to it. Anyways, we're gonna try to sprint through this rain and get in here. Oh no, casino. I'm not allowed into that door. Anyways, you're getting a feel for it. Okay, so we're outside the Wynn. So basically what I had to do is I had to turn off the video, all the audio, so because of the music. But outside here you can see that these are the fountains right here. This is where the show is at. And I'm going to have another view of it, but it's raining really hard, and I didn't want to go out there at this particular moment. He's telling me to put on that mask. So, okay, of course I have to turn off the camera, spend a little time, and then I come over here, and then they're going to do a check. So that's just basically the routine during COVID-19. So let's see, he's going to put one of those heat sensor guns to my head. Dun, dun, dun. Looks like I'm okay. Good. Whew. I'm always okay, but that's just actually that's kind of slightly ineffective because it just only catches you if you have a high fever, and why would you be walking around with a high fever anyways? So okay, so I'm going to start walking around, and I'm coming in from a corner here, so this isn't really the spectacular part of it, but it's pretty typical of what you see. So like a lot of the casinos, there's kind of a periphery part with all the shopping. And when I'm in this space right here, you can see some of the high-end stuff, which is pretty much everywhere in Wynn Casino. And I think I try to go in here, and I'm like, oh no, casino. And when I see casino, I kind of feel like, okay, you know, I'm kind of getting into a spot where I can't go with a camera. But I'm going to walk down this main street, and there's loud music blaring, just like the other Wynn Casino when I was on the Cotai side. There's two. This is on the Macau side, and then the Cotai is the other side of the bridge, another part of Macau. So there's two large Wynn casinos. The other's called Wynn Palace. This one right here is a nice restaurant, Cinebar, and you can see all the greenery. That greenery is in the middle of the casino. There's also casinos, gambling parts, but this is like a little part where this restaurant is here, and I'm going to go around to the other side in a minute, and there's a few different restaurants that all have this beautiful view, and I think sometimes you can go outside and sit too, but a lot of times you can just sit in the window. And this particular day it's raining quite a bit. There's that view right there, and you can see part of the Wynn right up there. So it's a pretty big building, of course, pretty big extensive grounds, beautiful palm trees, and okay, now I'm going to probably shove the camera right up to the window, because if you do that, you can get rid of all the glare. And there you go. You can see those elephant things or camel things. I think there's a couple of both. I think those are the camel ones. This is the main lobby, one of the main lobbies, but this is one where people come in. So you come in, and there's this nice big chandelier, and then there's a front desk right to the right, and there's another guy with a camera. And the show started, so I'm getting a little bit closer, but when the show started, it's like the music is really loud. And then they won't let me upload the video, so this is why I'm doing the narration afterwards. It's beautiful red chandelier, another chandelier. What's this one? Some kind of... we're going to keep on cruising by. So here, basically I'm kind of focusing on the fact that I don't want to go in the casino part, and this is the shopping. So this is what all the high-end stuff is at. High-end stores, Louis Vuitton, what other ones? All these ones with Dior. It's funny, I was just going to say Dior. I think that one, am I looking towards the casino floor right there? Way in the distance? Or is this just still corridors? Oh no, this is the other restaurant. So this restaurant looks back into the same outdoor seating arrangement area, and plus it's indoor one of the nice chairs and chandeliers and such. But yeah, this one, I usually think of this as pretty high-end, and so is the one right next to it too. There's just a lot of high-end shopping. So you can see, you know, Cartier, all these kind of French and Italian, another Louis Vuitton. My apologies if I mispronounce anything. And what I'm going to be doing in a minute is I'm going to go towards this one place where there's a big show. So now I just I turned off the camera because it's like, okay, this is going to be a theme. You're just going to keep seeing, you know, these Louis Vuitton high-end stuff. But now we're going to be going into lots of high-end stuff. Pretty empty during COVID-19. Usually I see people shopping there sometimes. Okay, so this is where there's a big show. So every 15 minutes, all day long, there's a big show. I filmed this before and uploaded it. And basically, like that spot right there, there's a big dragon that comes out or a big tree. And pretty much everybody, there's tourists all over the place just filming it. And at this particular time, it's COVID-19, of course, so not so many people at all. But it's pretty spectacular. Then at the up above, there's kind of a zodiac. And there it is right there. I'm going to focus on that, and it'll open up. So all those little lines you see will open up, and then also the bottom one will kind of turn and open, and then this big tree comes out, and people throw money, or they'll or a dragon will come out and it'll kind of roar, and they'll still throw money there too. And now I'm going to come out in here, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm out of the music. So here we go. I'm going to be speaking myself. And then we've got a little gym dragon or wind dragon. And it looks like we're kind of caught in some rain, so we're just gonna quickly step out and then try to give you some context for it. Across the street is Star World. See if I can film in there. Maybe I'll run across while I can, and then I'll turn the camera around and film what was behind me. So okay, there's Star World. And there's Wynn Casino right there, and right there, and then right there. So, okay. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.